Got the old SOPMOD off. Excuse the mess, I'm working on a couple other things. Store earplugs there. That works great, especially if you ever forget them. And pry that. So what do we got in here? I forget which side it's in. So, got the tubes out. Nothing in there, but it is in one of these tubes. Ooh, it is in this one. So I got one battery. You can see it in there. Look. There he is. Pull that puppy out. Sorry, I'm rolling it. And there's your field repair kit. Everything's still in there. Got the extractor, spring, gas rings. There's a couple pins on the side. And it all fits in there. Just for fun, I'll check out and see what I got in the other one. So it looks like more batteries, and then for cleaning the optics, I got a little Skunkworks microfiber towel that somebody sent me. But yeah, here it is. Fits all in there. You can see the gas rings. Oops, let me get to them on video. They're in good shape. They're not crushed. They're not bent. So it works.